Respected members, Section 87A of the Income Tax Act is an important section. Under this section, rebate is granted in respect of income tax payable by the assessee. This relief is available only to the individuals, and that too to the resident individuals only. It is not available to HUF, firm, companies and other assessees. The amount and method of calculation of this rebate is different in case of old regime and in case of new regime. Under the old regime, this rebate is available only if the total income is rupees 5 lakhs or less than that. If total income is over rupees 5 lakhs, then this rebate is not available. This rebate is available up to 100% of tax on total income. But the maximum amount of rebate under old regime is only rupees 12,500. If tax on total income is rupees 12,500, then this rebate will be rupees 12,500. And if tax on total income is less than rupees 12,500, then this rebate will also be less than rupees 12,500. If the tax on total income is over rupees 12,500, then this rebate may not be available, because in such case total income may be over rupees 5 lakhs, and when total income exceeds rupees 5 lakhs, this rebate is not available. One important point mentionable here is that under the old regime, it is undisputed that this rebate is also available in respect of tax leviable at the special rates. For example, special rate tax on short-term capital gain and on long-term capital gain as per section 111A and section 112. The return preparation software or utilities of the income tax department are granting this rebate in respect of special rate taxes also under the old regime. This treatment is in accordance with provisions of section 87A. But in cases where new tax regime under section 115 BAC 1A is applicable, the rebate under section 87A is not being allowed by the software or utilities of the income tax department. In this regard, in my personal opinion, there is no specific mention or restriction in the Income Tax Act or in any circular etc. regarding non-availability of this rebate in respect of special rate taxes when new regime is applicable. It appears that this non-allowability in new regime may be due to some issue regarding interpretation of section 87A. We will try to discuss this issue especially and thoroughly in our next video on the present topic itself. Now we come to rebate under section 87A, where new regime is applicable. Under the new regime, rebate under section 87A will be available at different amount in cases where total income is up to rupees 7 lakhs and in those cases where total income is over rupees 7 lakhs. In both type of cases, the rebate under section 87A is available, but in both cases the formula for calculation of the rebate is different. In cases where total income is up to rupees 7 lakhs, then under new regime this rebate is available up to 100% of income tax on total income, but the maximum amount of rebate in such cases is only up to rupees 25,000. It means when tax on total income is rupees 25,000, then rebate is available up to rupees 25,000. And when the tax on total income is less than rupees 25,000, this rebate is available at that lesser amount. In cases where total income is over rupees 7 lakhs, then in such cases also rebate under section 87A is available. But the formula for calculating rebate in such cases is different. In such cases, the amount of rebate will be available only if the tax on total income is more than the amount of total income which is over rupees 7 lakhs. Now we try to understand this in simple manner. For example, total income is rupees 7 lakhs 5,000 and tax on total income is rupees 25,500. Here the total income over rupees 7 lakhs is rupees 5,000, but the tax is more than this difference amount of rupees 5,000. Then in such cases, rebate under section 87A will be available even though the total income is over rupees 7 lakhs. Now the amount of rebate in such cases will be the amount by which tax on total income is in excess of the amount by which the total income exceeds rupees 7 lakhs. Now we try to understand this in a simple manner. In our above example, the total income was exceeding rupees 7 lakhs by rupees 5,000. The tax was rupees 25,500. The tax was exceeding rupees 500,000 by rupees 20,500, means rupees 25,500 minus rupees 5,000 equal to rupees 20,500. Then in such case, the amount of rebate will be rupees 20,500. We can simply and practically say that through rebate under section 87A, tax will be restricted to the amount by which the total income exceeds rupees 7 lakhs. In our present example, the total income is rupees 7 lakhs 5,000. Here, total income is exceeding rupees 7 lakhs by rupees 5,000. Then in such case, the tax amount will be restricted only to rupees 5,000 by granting rebate under section 87A. In our example, the income is rupees 7 lakhs 5,000, means income over rupees 7 lakhs is rupees 5,000. Then tax will be restricted to rupees 5,000 through rebate under section 87A at rupees 20,500. Now we consider that when total income is over rupees 7 lakhs and the rebate under section 87 is also available, then in such situation the rebate under section 87 may be available up to which amount of the total income? Broadly, it can be said that the rebate under section 87A may be available under new regime up to total income of rupees 7 lakhs 27,770. On this total income, the tax payable arrives at rupees 27,777. Thus, in such situation, the rebate under section 87A is available at rupees 7, and after rebate, the tax payable becomes rupees 27,770. That is the amount of total income which is more by rupees 7 lakhs. Thus, the most beneficial amount of rebate is only up to total income of rupees 7 lakhs under new regime. But after total income of rupees 7 lakhs also, this rebate is available, though it is not of much amount. Here it is considerable that under old regime up to total income of rupees 5 lakhs practically no tax was payable. But if income exceeded the amount of rupees 5 lakhs even by a single rupee, then tax payable become suddenly at rupees 12,500. But this anomaly is not in the case of new regime. Under new regime, rebate under section 87A has been framed in some logical and rational manner so that such situation may not occur. That tax on total income up to rupees 7 lakhs remain nil, and when income exceeds rupees 7 lakhs even by single rupee, the tax payable suddenly becomes rupees 25,000. In case of new regime, the income tax department utilities are allowing rebate under section 87A only in respect of tax on normal income. the rebate is not being allowed in respect of tax chargeable at special rate. In this regard, in my personal opinion, the above rejection of rebate under section 87A in respect of tax at special rates may not be according to the proper interpretation of section 87A. The detailed discussion on this issue will be made in our second video on this topic. I hope that this information may be useful. We will continue on the present topic in our next video also. Once again, I request you to please give me first preference vote and support in the upcoming Central Council elections of our institute ICAI to be held in the month of December 2024. Thanks and regards, CA Sharad Jain. Thank you.